Good day, sir, madam. My name is Glenda Castillo. I am 34 years old. I'm single. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I graduated high school. I am applying for domestic helper in Hong Kong as first-timer. I have work experience here in the Philippines. I am taking care children, a child, and I do cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing the clothes. I also play with the children. Sometimes I do tutoring or reading books and playing. And I just done my training in TESDA, my NC2 domestic helper. I've learned how to cook Chinese food and basic Cantonese language. I hope, please you hire me, madam, because I am loyal, honest, and responsible. I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise that I will finish my 2 years contract. And if you want me to still continue, I will do my best and accept it. Thank you.